welcome back to another cash stuffing Sunday. Folks, this is a really low budget Sunday. This is really low. So I had to pull from my savings from this because last week I only worked one day and I just did not have enough to cover. So I've had to pull from my own personal savings, which I don't document on this, which I probably should. But to be honest, not a lot goes into it. It's £5 a month. It's not a lot, but it goes in automatically through direct debit and it just keeps... You know, it's my kind of backup system when I don't have a backup system, which I'm trying to get a backup system in place with this, with my sinking funds and what have you. But as we're still motoring along on this very slowly and very securely, well, we'll just do with what we have. So, folks, before we go ahead and do our cash stuff, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things, and let's go. Right, first of all, money today is 150 smackerinos. And the first, let's just count to make sure we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is 150 smackers. So the first one is going into council tax because I had actually 180, but I spent 30 on food. So there we have that one. Water is getting 10 today. It never gets too much, but it gets enough to take it over. And I'm actually going to pay these bills tomorrow. So kind of handy to get them out of the way as well. Let me see what's next. Childcare is getting 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So I like to keep everything, you know, ship shape, as they say. Council tax is also getting another 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 10 is 50. And I'm also going to be paying this tomorrow because I'm late with this one. I'm only a few days, but I hate being a few days. They haven't chased me yet, so we're good. Very is also getting a tenner. I need to put that in as well. And the boys' beds is getting a tenner. And let me just check and see how much have I in the boys' beds now, because I'm nearly finished this. I literally am down like to the last couple of hundred. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's literally £100. I'm going to put that into the account and start getting rid of that, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, I literally am down to like the final 300 in this. So with that, that would be 200. I have until the end of December to get rid of it. So lads, I really need to keep motoring on this. Now, this 20 quid, we're bringing this bad boy back, because I had to put some shopping on it. Not a lot, mind, but in order to keep the credit score good, I decided I would do a little shopping, and I needed a new printer because the kids had a project to do and I had no printer. And I was like, do you know what, let's put that on it. It's not a hefty bill on it, so we're good. So we would put 20 quid into her for now. And I'm also maybe going to top up that card. I know it's not a debit card, but I have done this in the past where I have credited the account, put it into a credit rather than a debit, and they did ring me up and say, well, you know, this isn't a debit account, you don't need to keep putting money into it. But I was like, well, do you know what, it actually is handy for that emergency. They were going to cash it out to me and then I went and I did a spend, but you know, it was handy and I just do it every now and again. It works for me, as they say, even though they don't like me doing it, but tough. Now let's get on to our 1p challenge. Let's see how many coinage we have today. We have a fair bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 70, 80, 90, 7, 720, 725, 26, 27, 28, 29, £7.30. Right, well, we don't have. Right, let's see how we're going to manage that one. £7.30. Well, that's the small bit. We're going to need. Can we do a 411? 4, 10 and 1 is 11. So we can put that one in at 411. It's getting all the big numbers gone. 411, and then we have 1, 2, 250, 270, 280, 290, 310, 310, 315, and 319. Do we have a 319? I should. Yes, I do. Yes. Perfect. Literally perfect. Folks, don't forget to update your piggy bank tracker to see where you're going with your penny saving challenge. I'm actually going to cash this out at the end of December to pay off any remaining balance that I have on the beds, or the Argos card, as the case may be. It just depends on which it is, but I reckon it'll probably be the beds, to be fair, because the Argos card isn't bad. So, you know, yeah, there we are. That's it. Folks, thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you so much for watching all the other videos in the past, and for liking and subscribing and doing all the YouTubey things that you do. I really do appreciate you 100%. You are amazing. And also, guys, I have been offered a really cool little opportunity, and I'm so excited that in the next couple of weeks I will be sharing it with you. So don't forget to stay tuned, and that little thing will be coming. It'll also be coming with a discount code and all the fancy things. So yay! Who knew little old me would be giving out discount codes to things that could actually be useful. Anyhow, folks, I shall let you know a little bit more about that in due course. But for now, keep it handy, stay safe and super savers, and I shall talk to you in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye!